Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this drain line. It's a 24-inch drain line. Alright guys, so this is the drain line. So what's nice about these drain lines is when installing, any hair can get trapped down in here and you can just simply pull this out for cleaning. That would be the top tray. We'll show you guys in a minute. That just slides right down in here. They give you a manual on how it works. So this is great for personal shower. It's great for garage and other drainage systems. So they give you everything you need in the box to use it. So you would place this down inside here. So yeah,